Okay children, we move towards the second sum from practice set 10. Okay, here you can see again we have the operation of addition with two mixed fractions. So whenever you have two mixed fractions, we will be converting them into improper fractions first. So how to convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction? As you all know, there are basic steps, that is you multiply and then add. Again here you will be multiplying and adding, that is denominator multiplied by the center whole, then add the numerator. Okay, so let's proceed. So I'll draw common fraction bar, then 1 multiplied by 4 plus 1 upon the same denominator, that is 4. Then put the addition sign. Again by drawing a common fraction bar, 3 multiplied by 2 plus 1 upon the denominator as it is, which is equal to 1 multiplied by 4 is 4 plus 1 is 5. That gives me 5 upon 4 plus 3 multiplied by 2 is 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 upon 2. Now I have got 5 upon 4 plus 7 upon 2. Can I add them directly? No, because these are unlike fractions, that is the denominators are not equal. So while adding or subtracting, if the denominator is not equal, we cannot add the numerators or subtract the numerators. So for that we need to equalize the denominators. There are different methods, that is equalizing the denominators by finding LCM. That is one method, and what method we are going to use here is known as cross multiplication. Now what exactly is cross multiplication? You will be cross multiplying the denominators, you are going to multiply into the numerators in a cross way. Can you see this? Okay, and then again the denominators have to be multiplied with each other. So let's proceed. So the first thing will be 5 multiplied by the denominator from the other fraction, that is 2. Put the addition sign, then the numerator multiplied by the denominator, that is 4. So here you have 4. Okay, and in the denominator you will have 4 multiplied by 2. So 5 2s are 10 plus 7 4s are 28 upon 4 2s are 8. This is what we have got. So what do we get after adding? 38. 10 plus 28 is 38 upon 8. Now this is my answer, but still I cannot write this as my final answer because the question is in mixed fraction form. So let's convert this particular improper fraction into a mixed fraction. So for that you need to just divide 38 by 8. So 8, how many times closer to 38? I'll say 8 4s are 32. So here my answer is 6. The remainder is 6. Then how to write this in mixed fraction form? 8 is the denominator, which will always be the same, it won't change. 8 how many times 38? closer to 38, it's 4 times. So 8 fours are. So again the same thing, multiply and plus how much? 8 fours are 32 plus 6 is 38. So this particular remainder goes in the numerator, whereas the quotient goes over here. So I hope you have followed how to add the mixed fractions with different denominators.